2, 1, Minivan Mania. Here we come, just a wheeling around, and it's a full track big swing and a miss. Number 14, ready to dish it back. Whoa! Big shot as the two come together. 28-9 takes the action over to the east side. Woohoo! Crunch and munch on 3. Boom! Checkered flag headed out to our winners. Thank you to our minivan drivers for putting in the time to build these vehicles.